Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. SDL, Simple Direct Media Layer, is a cross-platform multimedia library designed to provide low-level access to audio, keyboard, mouse, joystick, and graphics hardware via opengl and direct3d. Learning SDL can be a valuable skill for game development and other multimedia applications. However, SDL itself is written in C and C++, which may be intimidating for beginners. Python, with the help of the pygame library, offers a friendlier way to learn SDL. Pygame is a set of Python modules designed for writing video games. It abstracts many of the complexities of SDL and provides a high-level interface that is easier to understand and use. In this tutorial, we will explore why Python and pygame are a good way to learn SDL, and we'll provide a simple code example to illustrate how to get started. Let's create a simple pygame application to display a window with a colored background. This example will demonstrate the basics of setting up a pygame project. In this example, Python and pygame provide an accessible and beginner-friendly way to learn SDL for multimedia programming. This combination abstracts many of the complexities associated with SDL, allowing you to focus on creating games and multimedia applications. As you become more comfortable with the concepts, you can explore more advanced topics and enhance your skills in game development or other multimedia-related fields. ChatGPT.